Okay, we have our push button switch here with our LED, and it turns on. Now we're going to switch our push button switch with a slide switch, and this is the slide switch I'm going to be using. If I can get it to focus, you can see it has 3 pins or 3 terminals on it, and then there's the slide at the top. Now for this particular slide switch, for the 3 pins, I need to line up the center pin with the yellow jumper wire like this, and I'm going to put it in like so. So I have the center pin of the slide switch in line with my yellow jumper wire, which is attached to the positive power supply. Now I need another jumper wire, this other yellow one, and I need to place it to the right side, to my right in this case, to my right side terminal of the switch, to our resistor lead here. So right now we can see the LED is not on. The switch, if I zoom in a little bit here, the switch, the slider is currently to the left side here. So right now there's a pin, the left pin is not connected to anything. The center pin is connected to this yellow jumper wire, which is connected to the power, or the positive power, or positive supply. And then we have the right pin of the slider switch connected to this yellow jumper wire, which is connected to this leg of the resistor. So now if I were to switch the slider over to the right side, we see the LED comes on. So the current is coming from the positive power supply. It's going through this yellow jumper wire to the center pin of the slide switch. And since the slider is all the way over to the right side, it's making contact inside between the center pin and this far right pin, allowing the current to go through this yellow jumper wire, through this resistor, through the LED, and to ground.